I'm not so happy today with this so much light on my face. See, okay, we stop it here. Okay जी, this was my outro in English. So, अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी दोस्तों, मेरा नाम ताबिश है और आप देख रहे हैं मेरी ये वीडियो ऑन ताशिफाई यूट्यूब चैनल. जिनको नहीं पता उनके लिए बड़ा क्विकली, मैं पिछले कोई 12 साल से स्वीडन में रह रहा हूँ. मैंने स्वीडन में लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में बहुत सारी वीडियोस बनाकर पोस्ट की हैं. तो लेट्स से जी हम ओपन करते हैं अपना यूट्यूब स्टूडियो और मैं लेटेस्ट कमेंट्स के ऊपर चला जाता हूँ और लेटेस्ट से नीचे पढ़ना शुरू कर दूंगा. मैं आई हैव कम्प्लीटेड माई BS. ये डॉक्टर फजल हक हैं. BS 16 years of education in biochemistry, have 3.3 CGPA. I'm planning for MS in Sweden. So far biotechnology Sweden is okay or not? So he is asking. He has a very good CGPA and he has done his bachelor's in biotechnology. So he's asking for, so if you go and look at some videos I have posted about Uppsala University and also other universities, I have posted a videos of different cities of Sweden, and in those cities I have also explained the university of those cities. Actually, there is a lot of research going on in Sweden in biotechnology and also in overall healthcare sciences. So there should be a very good scope and very good studies education available around biotechnology. So you need to look into universityadmission.com.sc, and there you can find a lot of different courses. So just go on universityadmission.sc and write biotechnology and you will find the related courses, and then you can read about the course and also you can read about the university also. So उस्मान चौधरी कह रहे हैं थैंक यू ताबिश भाई, बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं आप ताबिश. This was my video. Can you pay your living expense in Sweden while you are studying and you are also working as a student? करना चाह. So he has done some diploma in mechanical engineering and now he wants to apply for a bachelor's in mechanical. So if you are asking me as a student job, as a part-time job, as a extra job as a student, then I would say it totally depends on in which city you are coming in. If you are coming in a big cities like Stockholm, Malmo, Gothenburg, Uppsala, they are big cities. Uppsala is near Stockholm, so then there are much more chances. If you are asking me mechanical engineering jobs in Sweden, then I would suggest please go on LinkedIn and search mechanical engineering job, and you will find a lot of references, and there you can read what kind of jobs are available. So there was another live I have done just couple of days ago, and there Jawad Ahmed is asking bachelor's physics में किया हुआ है, job type मिल जाएगी स्वीडन में. So he's asking me that he has done a bachelor's in physics, and again, if you're asking for a job related to your field, please go on LinkedIn, put your keywords, select Sweden as a location, and then you will see what kind of jobs are available. I have a video, my first business in Sweden, and on that Hamza Arif is saying अच्छी बात है कुरान पढ़ना with translation. Okay, might be I have talked about in that video that I have listened Quran with tarjuma. How to start a company in Sweden, I had another video. What is the cost of opening a sole proprietor or limited liability company in Sweden in rupees? Okay, there is no fee for sole proprietor. You actually register your F-SCAT with this Skatteverket, which is called Företagsskat. If you want to work and also run the company, then you register FA-SCAT with Skatteverket. So there is no fee for that registration, but if you want to register your company as an entity, so you want to have a name on your company, then it's around 1100 crown, which is multiplied by 16 or something you can do with Pakistani rupees. So But if you want to open a AB company, like private limited company, then the starting capital should be 25,000 crown. And before this year, it used to be 50,000 crown. So then they have reduced it. Tuhim Alam is writing that Bhaijan, everything is not my name. My name is Tuhim Alam. I live in Bangladesh. I always follow your videos day by day. I earn knowledge from your videos. Keep going, Bhaijan. And Allah Hafiz. Thank you, Ji. Thank you for following my videos, and thank you for your appreciation, and you are looking at my videos day by day. Thanks a lot. Sandeep Chahal you are great, Bhai Ji. Thanks a lot. Nasir is saying that. Mashallah, thanks a lot, Ji. Evil Cake, he's a very frequent follower of my channel. And he wrote that please make a recipe of easy and tasty dal without pressure cooker. So this is like, okay, this is not a cooking channel, but I will do that. I mean, this is super simple, Evil. It's super simple. I mean, dal pakana to bahut aasan hai. Okay, then Evil Cake is looks scrumptious. So he thought my paratha is scrumptious. This is the expression I have heard first time. By the way, in India we call this type of paratha a lacha paratha. I know that there are different names. Even in Pakistan, in some parts they call it lacha paratha, balon wala paratha. And then my first business in Sweden is another comment from Ravi Rana. So what they're asking, actually, their son is doing he's in the 12th grade, and he's doing in 12th grade in commerce, and they're asking that is there possibilities for accounting studies here in Sweden. Yes, of course. I always say that in Sweden most of the economy is documented, so accountants are always here, and there's a very important role of accountants and people who works with accounts in Swedish society. So the thing is, I would suggest if he can do his bachelor's in India, then go here for masters. It's a much better. It will be much cheaper, and then it will be much easier for him. But if you want to send him for bachelor's, then why not? But I would also like to point out that for him to study in bachelor's, there are not so many degrees available in English. A lot of master's degrees are available in English. So you need to search on universityadmission.sc, and if you can find any bachelor's degree in that field in English, then it's possible. Otherwise, he has to learn Swedish and then do the bachelor's here. Then I would suggest go to some English speaking country like England, USA, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. So it's a paratha video, and Mohammad Zafar Khan is saying good job. I will try to make that paratha like this tomorrow, inshallah. Pata nahi, did you make it or not? Please tell me. Dubai se Sweden truck driver ana walon ke liye kya? Okay, so he's a truck driver, and he's looking that from Dubai to Sweden, can he move? It's not that easy. You have to find a job, and if you can find a job, then it's okay for you if you want to come. Canada vlog is saying to me, nice my bro, excellent, and keep it up. Thank you, Ji. Thanks a lot. Then King Veki is saying, do you live in Sweden? If so, do you know Swedish? Also, why don't you speak English during the entire video? When are you at store and pick up the package? I could not understand half of what you are saying either. You were speaking so fast, or you were speaking some other language. Why don't you speak slower? And so actually there was one vlog when I pick up my online purchase from one of the store where when they deliver it, and I pick it up, I go home and unpack it, and the purpose of that vlog was to show you how you order things here online, and then how they are delivered to you. So he's asking that why I'm not speaking English in that. So the reason is that most of my viewers is in India and Pakistan, so I'm making videos for them. But now this video I'm doing in it English, and this is only because I started to see the need of it, that so much of my viewership I'm losing because I'm not speaking English in my videos. And another reason is that most of my viewers, even if they are in India or Pakistan, they know English, they can understand English. So why not make videos in English? So here I am making videos in English. I don't know how much I will continue it like this, but I can understand it's frustrating that you want to see that video, you want to know what I'm doing in that, but you can't understand anything, and I'm sorry for that. But please ask me which part of that video you want to know, and I can explain you. Actually, you order online, and if they don't deliver you at home, they send you information that the package is ready to pick up from the nearby service point, and most of those service points are in the grocery shops actually. So you go and pick up, and that's how I show, and I open up that package with my daughters, and this was a really fun vlog. So Pakistani from Sweden, it was again about the paratha, and then Shezan Prince Malik said that और कोई बात नहीं मिली, ये start कर दिया है. So he's saying that कि I don't find any other topic, so I'm making a video about a paratha on my channel. and he actually show me angry face also, so don't be angry on me. So it's just a casual vlog, and this channel is all about me sharing information, me sharing my life with you, and sharing information with you, so that information might help you. That paratha, I really like it, and I thought I can show how I make my paratha, and that's why. So don't be angry on me, bro. So Ali Sir is saying that good, bro. Ali Sir again asking, भाई मैं UAE में हूँ, मेरा पास ट्रक का लाइसेंस है, and again he's again asking that he's in UAE and he has a truck license. Can he? So the only way you can move here in Europe or in Sweden to drive a truck is like you have to apply for a job, and if you get that job, of course you can move here. Desi groceries video, I was showing that how to buy the desi groceries, and they says nice, bro. How long is that video now? Okay, 15 minutes, and we should go now. So people are saying very informative video. I'm posting a videos about Amazon, and Amazon through, so one person is asking if they're selling on FBA through Amazon, if they're selling through Amazon via FBA, can they move to Europe, or they move to Sweden? It depends. I mean, you need, if you're already selling on Amazon FBA, why you want to move first of all? And if you even want to move, then you have to register a company here, and based on that company you can move. There must be some paperwork done in the right way which show the reason why you want to move here. So Shez Khan is saying that Salman Salam sir, daycare charges की charges होती है. Yes, you have to pay for the daycare, and it depends on how much you are earning. It can go all the way from 900 to all the way, it can start from 900 to all the way to 1300 something. So it's something between 1000 and 1500 crown for the daycare. If you are, it totally depends on how much you earn. So another video was about, I was posting a very important video about keywords, and so I explain about the keywords. So please go and check it out, that video, if you want to sell on Amazon. And Salam from Gothenburg, thanks bro for doing a good work. Looking Family Hunger is saying that looking forward to know more about Amazon and e-commerce portals in Sweden. I am starting my e-commerce business in 2021 inshallah. So yes, Amazon is coming to Sweden, and that's why I started to make those videos, because I have done quite a lot of education on that. So I thought I can share that knowledge with you, and I'm also gonna run a project at my work where we are going to set up our products on Amazon. So of course I will be sharing some mostly good information with you guys, but with Amazon you're not dependent only on Swedish market. You can sell anywhere in the world. So that's the beauty of that. So if you have a good product, you can sell anywhere in the world, but you need to have a good product. You need to have a good product, and I am going to explain in next videos what does it mean, what should the important things in Amazon for having a good product. Because if you don't have a good product, you can do the best marketing, best listing, best keyword, best everything, it will not sell. It will not sell, my bro. So that profitable good product you need to find, and that's the key. That's the main puzzle in Amazon business to solve if you want to be successful. लें जी, take care, अपना बहुत ज़्यादा ख्याल रखें, take care of yourself. So I need to practice my outro also in English now. So I say it in English now. So take care of yourself, take care people around you, give love to everyone, respect everyone, get respect. If you give respect, you will love to get respect, and this is how you will build up love between each other. Okay ji, this was my outro in English. So my outro in Urdu is अपना बहुत ज़्यादा ख्याल रखें, खुश रहें, मेरे लिए दुआ कर दें. So you should pray for me and thanks a lot. Allah Hafiz.